This is the Wizard News.
The greatest good is like the water. Water gives life to the millions of things. It flows in places left discarded, and so is like the Tao in living. Be close to the land in dreaming. Go deep in the heart in dealing with others. Be tender and kind in speech. Be straight in rolling. Be sure to be just in business. Be competent in action. Watch the timing, the timing, the timing. To all be true. Relax, renew. Let your needs be few, and all will honor you.
Cook County is launching a new program to help people with high water bills. The Water Affordability Program will provide $11.5 million in assistance for past due bills and leak repairs for homeowners. The program was funded by the American Rescue Plan Act and was passed unanimously by the Cook County Board in May 2024. The program will work with water utilities in the municipalities with the highest percentages of Income-Qualified Census Tracts and automatically enroll residents with past due balances who live in such areas. The Cook County Leak Repair Program will address leaks and wasteful fixtures that are to blame for high water bills. Those who have had their water shut off can also receive support for more extensive plumbing repairs. Plumbing contractors who want to take part in this program can respond to an invitation for bids by September 30th, 2024. The county is partnering with the Chicago nonprofit Elevate to develop affordability plans for municipalities. 10 spots are available for municipalities looking to set up water affordability plans. The program will involve a deep dive into water billing data to determine how a municipality can deal with water affordability problems. After the analysis, municipalities will be able to apply for up to $300,000 to implement some recommendations. Applications for municipal assistance opened on Wednesday, August 28th. Information on how to apply for bill relief and leak repair will be available later in fall 2024. Consultants interested in conducting the analyses for municipalities should submit the proposal by September 30th. In May, the City of Chicago passed a plan by Mayor Brandon Johnson to help homeowners and businesses who have seen their water bills spike due to underground leaks. This plan created a 2-year water leak relief pilot program that would allow eligible homeowners and business owners to have their bills fixed and obtain refunds if they can show they were getting hosed by higher water bills due to leaks in underground service lines. Source: CBS 2 Chicago, August 28, 2024.
greatest good is like the water. Water gives life to the millions of things. It flows in places left discarded, and so is like the Tao in living. Be close to the land in dreaming. Go deep in the heart in dealing with others. Be tender and kind. In speech, be straight. Enrolling, be sure to be just. In business, be competent. In action, watch the timing. The timing. The timing. To all be true. Relax, renew. Let your needs be few. And all